Hello there guys, Francis Gray here, and in today's video we're going to be testing out some colour shift paints from Vallejo titled Galaxy Dust. I'll see you after this. Okay guys, so I've heard a lot about colour shift colours online lately, and I saw these in my local boys store, which is just in my local town. Now these cost me £18.75. So normally a Vallejo paints, or like a normal one just like that, roughly is about £2.50 a bottle. So I think mathematically these work out just over £3 each. But if they do colour shift, then that makes them a little bit more special, hence why they're a little bit more expensive. So there was a couple of different sets, and this is the set that I picked up today. I will probably test some of the other sets as I go further down the line. Now the only thing that makes it stand out from the rest, apart from the list of paints at the front, is just the reference number on the side. So this is reference 77.092. So I don't know if that means anything to anybody. But you get 6 paints inside. So the first one is titled Light Violet Green. Then we have Green Gold Cold Blue. Then we have Turquoise Violet, and then we have Emerald Green Mauve, and then we have Green Silver Blue, and then we've got Dark Green Tint. So, let's open these up and have a quick look. Okay guys, so to start things off, we just have a little pamphlet inside, and these are all the other colours that you can get. So I'll go ahead and I'll study this in a couple of hours time after I've tested all these bad boys. So let's get them all out. Okay, so this is the Light Violet, and then we've got Green Gold Cold Blue, and then we have Turquoise Violet, and then Green Silver Blue. And then we've got Emerald Green Mauve. And last but not least, Dark Green Tin. Okay guys, so now we've done a quick unboxing, let's go over to the spray booth. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I base coated a load of spoons. So this is a silver base, and then we've got the paint number underneath. And then we've got a black prime base, and then we've got a regular grey prime base. Now I've heard that a white base doesn't really work well with these. You want one of the three. So I went ahead and done that to 6 for all 6 paints. So loads of priming going on. So yes, so let's go ahead and load in the first one, which is number 77.017 Green Silver Blue, and we'll go ahead and we'll see how this works. Okay guys, I'm going to start with the grey prime. And now the black base. Right, already I can see that the black base worked a lot better than the grey base. Okay, so let's try silver. Okay guys, let's go ahead and check out the results. Okay guys, so what's the verdict of Green Silver Blue? Okay, so here is the grey base, and it's okay I suppose, kind of pearlescent but not too thrilling. Then we've got the black base. Now by far that turned out a lot nicer. And as you can see there, just because of the base coat, the actual difference between those two, night and day. So that is very, very impressive. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, silver was pretty much non-existent, didn't really do anything. So yeah, unfortunately that was that's the difference between it. It basically just makes it a little bit matter. So I'd definitely say black is the winner in this round. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Okay guys, so for the next one I'm going to go in with number 77.09110 Emerald Green Mauve. And we're going to start with the silver. And now the grey prime. And last but not least, the black. Okay guys, so this was Emerald Green Mauve. So this is the grey base. And it's a little bit better than the last paint, but same again, it's a little bit no frills. And then once again the black base. Now I don't know if this is showing up on camera, but this is a really beautiful colour on this base. It's like purple leading into like a dark blue into like a emerald green. So that is, I don't know if that's showing up on the camera, but that is really nice. I'm really happy with that one. And the silver base. So okay, if you same again if you want like a pearl effect kind of a thing, but not much colour shifting going on there. It's way better than the grey prime, but still it's it could be used for some stuff, but I'd probably say that one was a no-go. This is a possible, that is a definite. Okay, on to the next one. Okay guys, so for the next one we're going in with number 77.018 Dark Green Tin. Okay guys, so this one is Dark Green Tin. Let's start with the grey. So there is some colour shifting going on, but you really have to try and strain your eyes to see the subtle shades of colour. So it's okay, nothing groundbreaking. Same again, the black base, that looks way better. Just a quick comparison, it's a lot more richer. So I can see this one being a lot more usable in the future. So colour wise it kind of goes from really deep dark emerald green to kind of like a light brownish metallic. I don't know if it's showing up on the camera or not. It's mainly around the edges here, but in yeah, and to the naked eye it's a lot more brown than what the camera's picking up. And then finally silver. Now I did get these like weird blotches on this, so it might be the silver base coat that I give it. It might have just reacted with it, or I might have had a bit of airbrush cleaner still in the nozzle or something and it's gone a bit weird, but overall there is still some colour in there. Not as rich as the black, but probably more than the grey. So as you can see there, this is a bit more matte and this one's a bit more gloss. So yeah, I'd probably recommend Black first, and then maybe silver, and then sadly the grey base is our third place runner in that one. So, crack on to the next paint. Okay guys, so the next one is number 77.002 Light Violet Green. Okay guys, so this one is light violet green. So start with the grey. So same again, just like a pearlescent effect. Not a huge amount of colour shifting going on there. So sadly, unfortunately the grey primers aren't standing out very well in this test. Black, as you can see, that is absolutely gorgeous. That is really nice. So yeah, very nice metallic light, well, dark purples going into a very dark blue. But that's nice. I can see this working really good on maybe like a dry brush or something on some alien xenomorphs or something like that. So that is really nice. Silver, same again, just more of a pearlescent effect, but a lot deeper and richer than what the grey was. So this I can definitely see being used. This not so much. Okay, very interesting results in that one. Okay, let's crack on to the next one. Okay guys, next one is number 77.008 Green Gold Cold Blue. Okay guys, so this one is Green Gold Cold Blue. So quite a mouthful of a title. So let's start with grey prime. And you can see there's not a huge amount of that. It basically just looks silver to the eye, but to the camera it just looks like a matte grey. So fortunately it's not that good. I probably wouldn't use it as is for that. Now the black, same again, stands out a lot more better than the last one. Now if you notice a couple of little hairs or that, unfortunately that was my fault. It accidentally dropped out of my hand while the paint was still a bit wet. So don't let these little parts deter you. It did spray on really lovely and covered lovely. So yeah, so it's very kind of like goes from like a really kind of gunmetal grey to a like a greenish tinge to the eye. The camera looks a little bit more green, but yeah, I'm a fan of that. And now onto the silver. A little bit disappointing. Just made it look a little bit glossy. So yeah. Unfortunately, in this for this one paint, I suppose if you're going for like a chromish kind of effect, this silver base coat will work better. But I actually think that the two of them, this one actually looks a little bit better than what this one is to the eye. So yeah. Okay, let's crack on to the last one. Okay guys, so the next one is 77.009 Turquoise Violet. Okay guys, so last but not least we've got Turquoise Violet. And let's start with the grey. So yeah, it's there is a colour shift tinge of purple or violet in there, but you have to really go looking to find it. So yeah, again, unfortunately the grey prime is not blowing me away. Black, oh yeah. That is absolutely gorgeous. That is really, I hope the camera is picking that up. That is absolutely lovely. I can see me using this on a lot of projects. So yeah, definitely black base coat to the win. Let's have a look at silver. So yep, no colour shift whatsoever on the silver for that one. So yeah, so looks like overall each one's got its different merits, but the overall for richness or for just metallic shine, it looks like the black base coat is by far the winner. So yeah, so let's see them all together for the last shot. Okay guys, so here they are, all done, all together, and as you can see there's a very wide variety between the different base coats for each paint. So as a quick summary, overall I'd definitely say if you want that nice metallic look, which is obviously why you bought the paints in the first place, I would strongly suggest going with a black undercoat, because as you can see basically every single one of the black ones came out very metallic. Silvers hit and miss, greys, grey base coats, I'm not really a fan of it. There's the odd one that you know, like say for this one example, which is dark green tin. Now the difference between them two is night and day. Now there might be a build where you need that tone more than this tone, so it might be worth making a note that it actually works pretty good on a grey base as well as a really dark rich black base. The silver unfortunately didn't come out all that great. There's a few little spots there appeared, but that might be because of the silver primer or the silver paint that I use as a base coat. It just didn't react with this paint very well, so that might be a human error on my part. But overall I'm really happy with this test. I love some of the colours, and I can definitely see me incorporating these in some future builds. So if you found this video helpful, or if you just enjoyed watching it, please smash that like button, share on Facebook and Twitter, because that's new people find the YouTube channel, which I'm always appreciative of. Thank you for any help. If you have a good comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future builds. And if you want to be a really awesome viewer, please take 5 minutes to check out my Patreon page. And with some help, we can do these videos full-time rather than part-time. So once again, I'm Francis Gray, and this is a quick look at test of the Galaxy Dust from Vallejo Paints. I'll see you in the next video.